Are you a victim of predatory lenders? Learn how to repair your credit and get rid of them forever. Have credit problems? Do credit problems run in your family? Have you had any credit issues with predatory lenders recently? Most of us have had credit problems before, and a few of us have been victims of predatory lenders. If you've ever been a victim of predatory lending practices, then you know how difficult it can be to rebuild your credit. Unfortunately, many people end up in credit card debt because they don't fully understand the credit repair process, or they're unaware that there are other options besides bankruptcy. Many people in the world are trying to better themselves, but some credit card companies continue to victimize credit users. Predatory lenders may sound like something that only happens in third world countries, but it's happening all around you. Many credit victims are people who had credit problems in the past or have credit problems that run in their families. The top 2 credit issues that most victims of predatory lenders face are the inability to pay credit card bills on time, and having maxed out credit cards with high interest rates. There are solutions to credit problems and ways to get rid of predatory lenders, but you have to take the first step. Hi, I'm Gregory, from GA Credit Rebuilders, an online service that helps victims of predatory lending repair their credit and move on with their lives. We have helped thousands of clients improve their credit scores by removing negative items and credit inquiries from their reports and reducing credit card debt amounts owed through our unique negotiation strategies. Our team has years of experience working with lenders to help our clients resolve issues related to unpaid loans, foreclosures, charge-offs, and more. We do this using our free credit education program, our free credit repair program, and our wealth building programs. Don't wait any longer for credit repair help. Visit us at gacreditrebuilders.com. We are here to help you 24/7. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.